I just go ahead and put some of my rice, maybe a little bit more over the vegetables, simple as that. Today I got a special video for you. So usually we do like recipes. Today I'm showing you what I do for meal prep to keep me prepared and staying on the task of my plant-based diet when I go to work. So I know everybody, when you get to work, your job might have, the only thing we can eat, fries. We might get lucky they didn't put butter in the mashed potatoes or the rice, or they might do fried rice with eggs in it and then you can't eat it. So what I like to do is I go ahead and meal prep and just make up my meals. Like the spaghetti, I took that to work. The candy yams, I mixed that with something else, but I still took that to work. The last one, the hamburger, steak, and gravy, I made that on the weekend, so I didn't take that to work, but I would love to take it to work. I can make some more this weekend, probably. But today we're using the Beyond sausage with rice and vegetables. Very simple, very easy, quick. You just make everything up and boom, there you go. You don't even gotta watch the finish of the video. Yep, just playing. Stick around to the end of the video. I got some special ingredients in there that you guys are gonna need to make it taste as good as mine. And let's get it. Okay guys, when I'm cooking, I like to go ahead and start off with the thing that's gonna take the longest basically. So I wanna go ahead and get that started, especially if it's something like rice, that I can go ahead and just get it started in the rice cooker, because I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how to cook rice in the pot. So there's 1 cup, simple. That's a lot of rice. There's 2 cups right there. Before I add my water, I'll show you guys. I got Jasmine Rice. I like Jasmine Rice how it tastes. Some people might not. The only ingredient in here is Jasmine Rice. So this is a good brand. You get your cup of water. Simple. Take your cup of water and you're just gonna put it in there. Simple. Get your next cup of water. Put it in there. Me, I be scared that the rice is not gonna cook through all the time, so I get me like a half a cup and I throw it in there. That's just me with my rice cooker, because I know my rice cooker, you gotta learn your rice cooker how yours do. And probably you already got a rice cooker you already use, so you don't need all this. But now we have some options up here. We're just gonna turn it on. Just hit white rice. And just as simple as that, our rice is started. Okay guys, we went ahead and got our rice started. So I don't even really count how long that takes. I just let the rice cooker do its thing. It like weighs it out and checks how much water and stuff is in there to see how long it needs to cook. So I just let it do its thing. What's next? The meat. Not really the meat, the Beyond sausage. As you can see, I have like the hot Italian version, which wasn't on purpose. It's just what Harris Teeter had left out. And I mean, you can go in with this recipe. You can throw onions and stuff in it. I don't do onions that often. So it's really up to you, because you can do the onions, the bell peppers, red peppers, all the pepper. I don't get into all that unless I'm doing a real special ingredient. This is just meal prep, so I keep it simple. Okay, for the Beyond sausage, we got them right here ready. They're hot Italian, so you don't have to really go in and add anything to them, because I mean they're sausages. So we're just gonna cut them up at the end, because if these were regular sausages, like the real meat sausages, we would go in and cut them up first. But since these are the Beyond sausages, they're made a little different, so we're not going to cut them up first. We're just going to add them to the pan. I don't add any oil to the pan because the Beyond sausages, they tend to make a lot of oil themselves. So we don't need any extra. Okay guys, all I did was go in and turn them. They're still cooking. I spread them out so that I could go ahead and get the grease all over the pan, because I want to be able to utilize that grease to help me cook my vegetables next. So we're just going to let this cook. I got 4 sausages here. You could cut them up at the end and do 1 sausage per serving, or you can do 2. Like I said, I only do 2 days worth of meal prepping because I don't like my stuff to be, after it get past 2 days, I don't want to eat it twice, well 3 times. So I'm not going to personally go ahead and be doing 3 to 5 days of meal prepping. I just go ahead and bite the bullet and get up and cook. Okay, we're going to come in and get our sausages out. Let me turn that grease down for now. Okay, right here we have our frozen vegetables. I'm using Bird's Eye brand. I like their brand because it's single ingredients. So we just got carrots, yellow squash, zucchini, broccoli, and cauliflower. Very simple. We're just gonna throw this in the pan with the grease that we was cooking from earlier. It works great, it's easy, quick. And then we're gonna, after we do that, we're gonna go ahead and cut up our sausage. Frozen vegetables really save you a lot of time. Cause I mean, look how quick they were. I just threw it in the pot, the pan, and now they're gonna cook, and they're simple. I mean, I'm just gonna let them cook. You can see our vegetables really cooking now. That's why we went ahead and turned it up on high. And once they're getting soft, you can feel them getting soft and they're unfreezing. That's all you're really doing. They already cooked basically, just vegetables. I go in, I take some Pico Man soy sauce. Great stuff. That's all the flavor we need right there. Okay, our vegetables are basically done. So we're gonna turn them off and remove them from the heat. And we'll go ahead and package them up and have them ready. Okay, our sausage has been sitting here cooling for a few seconds. You're just gonna go in and cut your sausage up. I mean, that's amazing. They look just like a sausage. That is really amazing. Okay guys, now we're gonna check on our rice. The rice cooker basically cooks it, and like I knew it would be, perfect.
Stupid.
Simple, easy. Just as long as you make sure you get enough water and not too much rice, because then your rice might be dry throughout or somewhere, or not all the way cooked. But we're just gonna come through, get us enough for our meal prep container, and it's beautiful. I mean, look at that. When you're doing plant-based, you really don't have to go and do proportions, or well, you still need to do proportions. You can't be eating crazy. But like stuff like this, that's plant-based, you're not gonna gain weight off it. You're really gonna lose weight. So you just go through, make your meal, what you think can fill you up, and there you go. Okay guys, and just like that, our meal is done basically. Now you can go back and, like I said, the Kiko Man sauce, you can go back and you can drizzle it like what I was eating it now. I'll just go ahead and put some of my rice, maybe a little bit more over the vegetables, simple as that. Or if I wanted to do it teriyaki way, which I'll show you, I don't mind mixing them. If I want to do it teriyaki way, I go through, throw some teriyaki on it. It's just that simple. Okay, again, I just want to go back in and say thank you guys for all the support y'all been showing. The videos have been doing great. Can't be mad at it. I'm just starting out. I can only see like to the future of all the views and stuff I'll be having then. I want to thank everybody that's a part of the movement right now. Plant-based, I mean, I'm loving it. Cooking the food, making the YouTube videos, loving it. So thank you guys for coming through. The meals, they came out great. I mean, I told you I do 2 for my 2 days, and that's all I make. I don't want to make more than that because I want to switch it up. So I'm not the type of person that can keep eating the same meal. So don't even set yourself up for that. If you know that you're not the type of person that can keep eating the same meal every day for that 4 or 5 days, switch it up. It's just one meal for the day. Switch it up. Like do 2 days. That's way easier. Then that 3rd day you cook something else. Then you got something else new to eat that you can be excited about going to work to eat. And then switch it up again. Then on the weekend, freestyle it. Figure out what you want to make. You can check out my videos. I got a spaghetti video you can make for the weekend, or candy yams, all of that. I mean, it's all good. The tea comes out amazing, so make sure you check that out too, that video. So I'm just gonna put whatever YouTube suggests for you to watch, you personally, I'm gonna put that as my end card. So make sure you check that video out. Thank you for coming through. Peace.